Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your club name in FC26 Ultimate Team. First thing I want you to do is head over up here and choose objectives. Of course you can do this from your settings as well, change name, but this way you actually get a reward. So come here, click on objectives, and then I want you to come to club maintenance, right? Go right here to club maintenance and you'll get this one as an objective, change club name. Okay, you can go ahead and select that one, and right here you can press X and change your club name right here, and you actually get a reward. For example, right here you get a consumables pack. Okay, so you can do this. You can of course go to your settings, change your name from there as well, but ideally you should go ahead and use the objective. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor, and I'll see you in the next one.